Hello, Tasdele everyone. So today here I'm teaching the Tibetan words is cham cham or another one kap kap. So another one kapre kapre. So that means sometime. These all three words are synonyms. Okay. So I will explain with the examples. So see here. Nye cham chamla teplokiye. That means sometimes I read books. I read books. Okay. And then another example. Nye kap kapla chikcha thungkiye. So that means I drink coffee sometimes, or sometimes I drink coffees. Okay. And then next example is Nge kapre kapre sakangla dogiye. So that means sometimes I go to restaurants. Okay. Okay, so this is the how to use cham cham, kap kap, and kapre kapre. Okay, thank you, and then see you in next video.